Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can edit or customize the screen sharing mode in the Avast browser. So let us dive into this. Now let me explain what the screen sharing mode is. Of course you may already guess it. It's a feature that may allow you to record or to live share your screen here on the Avast web browser, for example. I don't know, with your contacts, for example. But the specifics here of the screen sharing mode in Avast browser allow you to, for example, hide sensitive information while screen sharing or sharing your screen, right? Like, I don't know, bookmark pages here or passwords or something like that. So you can customize these settings here of the screen sharing mode. To do that, click into these three dots here in the Avast web browser, navigate to settings. Here on the left hand side, what you want to do, guys, is navigate to privacy and security, then click into more, and oh, you don't need to click into more. Here's the screen sharing mode, of course, and then enable it here. That's the screen sharing here in the top right. And what you want to do, guys, is, for example, as previously mentioned, decide which parts of your screen you would like to hide when screen sharing is enabled, like the search history, toolbar icons, bookmarks bar. So yeah, go through that list, and you may also disable the screen sharing mode here. And that's basically it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.